开始。
Okay, so the FC-120 has two versions. One is the FC-120 with gasless flux cold wire welding, MA and electric function. And another one is FC-120 Eco, which means this one you can see is, the difference is one the control panel.
Yes, this one with the display.
Yeah, and this one is without, and it's simply just gases plus cold wire welding.
Yes.
It's very cost effective. Okay, so let's see the FC. Okay.
Now it's the FC-120. It's a very light welder and it doesn't require gas. So you can take it everywhere you want, and it can be used for maintenance and repair, and some handmade studios also use it for DIY and home hobby.
Yes, just do very simply maintenance and repair welding jobs, and such as repair or fix the doors or windows, and doing in the furnace and kitchens.
Yes.
Yeah, just as mentioned, it's very convenient for this gasless flux cold wire welding machine, because as long as you have the power, you can start to do the welding jobs.
Yeah, it's an expert at home and for business. You can take a close look of the torch, and it's easy to operate.
Yeah, with a connected big welding torch, which means you don't have to
Install it again,
Yeah,
because
again.
already fixed everything here.
yeah, so it's very convenient.
Yes,
Yeah.
and we can see the gasless flux the core with the wire.
Oh, the 1 kg.
Yes, 1 kg wire spool can be installed here. So you can just plug and then weld with a torch accessory set. Use friendly and cost effective.
Okay, so let's also show how the control panel works.
Okay.
Okay, so we will see very easy to see. So you can see here, choose different welding process. Flux code for 0.8 millimeters welding wire, or flux code welding for 1.0 millimeter wire. The lifting and MA function. When you're done the section of the welding process, you can just adjust the amperage by the knobs here, and just watch slightly here. So it's, you even don't need to follow the user manual. When you get this machine, you can just plug it and use it. Okay, so for this we are also with 等一下，这个是3550的那个接头吗？不是。102。1025. Okay, and for the connection of the MA and the ground cable is with the connection of 1025 the types. A very light MIG welder, and take everywhere, and everyone everyone deserve this. So now we have super promotion of this model, and we also prepare few stocks. So if you want to get one for try, please act now and contact our sales team.
哎，刚才这个时间够不够？我们这个要15分吗？
哦，
如果要15分的话，不需要，
不够吧？
不用15分是吧？
好，来重新来，重新
对，我们再重复一遍这个步骤。
把那个机器关了。
OK。
上面一行，哎，对，这我这错。Just push button while diameter select between。你太高了，我看不到。
你那个牌子还没用。
对。It's very simple to use. Just push button while diameter select between 0.8 and 1.0. The machine is working on the process when the corresponding indicator light is on. And the coupling device positive pole connected with the earth wire connect which connects the workpiece.
Yeah, I think you must care about what's the power source of this machine. We have our single phase 220 voltage and a single phase 110 or 220 volts. So two options to match different market requirements.
And here is an error indicator light. When the machine functions normally, this light is always off. It will lit when abnormal conditions occur. So it will protect the machine
Yeah,
as well.
and also for the users.
Yes.
Okay, so let's have a review of the features of this machine. We call this
我
machine.
们在讲材料吗？下面的材料，这个待会儿再讲，剪掉吧。我们在讲材料。
Okay, so the FC-120 looks small, but it's very powerful.
Yeah.
It can weld a variety of materials such as carbon steel, stainless steel, and galvanized sheet.
What's more, it has overload protection. That is what some customers are concerned about.
Okay.
So let's make a conclusion
Conclusion.
of the FC-120.
It's a 1 kg plus cold wine welding, which means was 1 kg wine spoon.
Yes, and it's with the MMA and the lift function as well.
For such a small machine, but it's still with 2 more welding process.
Yes, and you can see it's very. What we want to emphasize is very lightweight and it can be portable. See, it's very light. And all the necessary accessories are included as we introduced before at the beginning.
Yeah, so just get it and start your welding jobs.
Yes. It's the end of the FC-120, and if you want to know more about our products and our company, you can find us via our official website www.perfectwires.com or searching us on Alibaba by keywords
PerfectPower Welder. So that's all about the FC-120. Thank you for your watching.
3、2、1。